Hello everyone, today I'm bringing you another unboxing, another review, and this time I'm taking a closer look at this 1/24 scale big turbocharger kit from Hobby Design having the code HD030393. So, these turbos were intended to be used on the bigger engines, like for example the Toyota 2JZ or the Nissan Skyline RB26. Okay, because Hobby Design have another turbocharger set which is smaller. I have used that on my Subaru BRZ, so you can take a closer look at that, or else this one, okay, the ones you see over here, that is the Subaru BRZ with the smaller turbo. However, today this is the one I'm taking a look at, which is the bigger, fatter size, okay, which makes it more realistic on bigger engines. And have a closer look at what we exactly get. And there we go, 3 and 3. Okay, so over here we have the inlet side of the turbo, and over here we have the outlet side of the turbo. Let's remove the excess and take a closer look at the two pieces. Okay, from what I can see, they are nicely molded with just this big flesh of resin to be removed. But let's take a closer look at the parts, beginning with the inlet. There we go, nicely detailed, very nice. The fan and intake details, okay, good job with design. It would really be a pity to attach an air filter and hide those details. Okay, the detail continues once again on the back side, as we can see, nicely detailed all around. There we go, just some little mold and flesh marks, nothing big. Good job with the molding of these turbos, so that makes it the front. And now let's take one of the backside. Once again, detailing of the fan inside. There we go. More detailing on the back with the hose inlet and outlet. Once again, just this big flesh of resin and some mold marks to clean, nothing major. Good job, Hobby Design, making these turbos. And the procedure is to attach them together, just like that. You can direct it into the direction you want, the inlet and outlet for the turbo. Okay, there we go. So the logic is to connect this section to the manifold of the of your engine. Okay, on the back part over here it goes to the exhaust directly. This part goes to the air filter, or else you can leave it just like that. And this part is where it feeds the intercooler or the engine directly. Very nice. Now, one last thing, let's see how it looks. And I have brought the perfect subject to try it out, and that comes in the form of the Nissan Skyline with the famous RB26 from Tamiya. And as you can see, all the parts are still attached, so it's not possible for me to attach it inside. However, I will make the front in place, the front side in place, so that you can see and compare of this turbo compared to the actual RB26. Okay, there you go. It will attach somewhere over here. Obviously some modifications are needed, because the size between the engine and the strut tower is very limited with the size of turbo. However, considering the big engine, this turbo will look very nice and very realistic. I like that. I have another Skyline, but it's missing another RB26. The Skyline is missing the intake section, okay, not the exhaust, so this is the wrong side. However, I will make it next to the engine so that you can see comparison of the size compared to an RB26 from Tamiya 1:24 scale. There we go. I must say that's the best size for the turbo for these type of engines. Well done, Hobby Design. I really like these turbos, and so I thought of bringing you a closer look at these turbos in case you are considering using them on whatever you might be building that is not curbside. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next. Please subscribe.